Good morning, everybody. Delighted to be in Tatweer, Bahrain again, and we are explaining to everybody today some facts about gas testing. We realized through the video that gas testing is different from gas monitoring. Gas testing is momentary. You do the testing now and you record the results, but gas monitoring is a continuous process. What do you need for the confined space entry? You need gas monitoring. How frequent you do the gas testing? It depends. It could be every half an hour, every 1 hour, or every 2 hours. Usually in a confined space, every half an hour we do the gas testing if we have a hot job, for example, welding. If we have a cold job, we do the gas testing every hour. But it doesn't mean that we stop the monitoring. So we should use the monitor as long as we are having activity inside the confined space. There are some facts about the multiple gas detector that should be clear. Fact number 1. There are 4 panels in the multiple gas detector. 1 panel for oxygen, 1 panel for carbon monoxide, another one for H2S, and the last one for LEL or lower explosive limit. And we said that the set point for the LEL, it could be 5% or could be 10%. It depends on the standard. Okay? Oxygen concentration should be between 19.5 and 23.5% to be accepted for entry requirement. Okay? Carbon monoxide. Usually there are 2 numbers on the panel, 35 and 50. It means at 35 ppm it starts bleeping, but the bleep is an interrupted way. Beep, 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 like that. If the concentration of carbon monoxide increases to 50 ppm or more, the bleep becomes continuous. Beep, 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 like that. If you listen to the continuous bleep, what you should do right away. Okay? Regarding H2S, at 10 ppm, we get the interrupted bleep. Beep, 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 beep. 15 ppm or more, we get a continuous bleep. Beep, 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 like that. Okay? Regarding LEL, lower explosive limit, it is the minimum concentration of gas which is required for the explosion to happen. Okay? For example, methane, LEL, is 5%. It means if there is a room with 100 cubic meters of air, and if you have only 5 cubic meters of methane, and somebody is smoking, boom, it will explode. This is the lower explosive limit. For ethane, it is more disastrous because at a lower concentration of ethane, 1.2%, boom, it explodes. So we need to adjust the sensitivity of the gas testers. For the highly flammable gases, I suggest to be at 5%, a set point at 5%. It means at 1/20 of the real concentration, it starts giving you the other. For the others, it should be at 10%. In case of methane, 5% divided by 10, at 0.5%, it starts to bleep. I hope that this is informative for everybody with regards to the 4 panels in the gas test device. And if you have any question, let me know. Yes, go ahead.
Why do you monitor methyl and ethane percentage whereas the carbon monoxide is 20 ppm?
Because usually in a work environment like oil and gas production, we have cocktail of gases, cocktail of hazards. We cannot say we will be just exposed to H2S or carbon monoxide or methane or ethane. Usually it is a cocktail. Most dangerous is methane. okay? Because it's very common. And remember that the sensitivity of the multiple gas detector is our job, okay? There are 4 cartridges inside, and we determine the cartridge is sensitive to which gas. For example, if you are not working in the oil and gas and you are not interested in monitoring methane, you are working, for example, in the pesticide factory and you are interested in monitoring heptane or hexane, which one of the hydrocarbons, simply you remove the cartridge for methane and you replace it with the cartridge of hexane or heptane. Okay? There are 10 hydrocarbons: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. They are all explosives. It depends on which industry you are working. You just remove the cartridge and you put the cartridge